In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fork a repository on GitHub. Let's start by opening the source repository on GitHub. In your browser, go to github.com/octocat/spoon-knife. Once the page loads, the repository header should show octocat/spoon-knife with a public badge, and the code tab should display as files. This is the official sample repository we'll be working with. Now let's configure the fork. In the upper right area of the repository header, click the Fork button. This will take you to the Create a New Fork page, where you can set up your own linked copy of the project. On this page, click the Owner drop-down near the top of the form. From the list that appears, select your personal account. This tells GitHub where your new fork should live. Next, leave the repository name field set to spoon-knife. There's no need to change it, since keeping the same name makes it easier to track back to the original source. Just below the description field, look for the option labeled Copy the main branch only. If it is not already selected, click its checkbox to enable it. This keeps your fork focused on the main branch instead of copying every branch from the upstream repository. Now let's create and verify the fork. Scroll to the bottom of the form and click the Create Fork button. GitHub will begin creating the copy for you, so give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, the page will automatically redirect to your new repository. When the redirect completes, take a look at the new repository header. It should show your personal account as the owner and spoon-knife as the repository name. Directly below the header, you should see the text forked from octocat/spoon-knife. This small line is important because it confirms the upstream connection between your copy and the original source. At this point, GitHub is showing a public spoon-knife fork sitting under your personal account. It contains all of the original files, and the visible link back to octocat/spoon-knife means you can always trace it to its source. Meanwhile, the upstream repository stays completely unchanged, so nothing you do here will affect the original project. Congratulations! You've successfully forked a repository on GitHub and can now experiment with the code in complete isolation under your own account.